Square root of s, square root of s, square root of s is equal to 2. What is the value of s? Solution. Then in order to get the value of s, let's take the square of both sides. That is square root of s, square root of s, square root of s, all square is equal to 2 square. This one will cancel this. S square root of s square root of s is equal to 2 square. Let's take the square of both sides again. This is equal to s square root of s square root of s all square is equal to 2 square square. Then s square is s square, and this is s square. This one will cancel this, multiply by x square root of x is equal to 2 raised to power 2 times 2, 4. That is, from this exponential rule, that a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power nm. And from here, let's take the square of both sides again. S square multiplied by s square root of s all square is equal to 2 raised to power 4 square. Let's see, this is s raised to power 4 multiplied by s square. This will cancel this, multiplied by s is equal to 2 raised to power 4 times 2, that is 8. Now this is also raised to power of 1. Take note of this rule that a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n plus m. The whole of this is s raised to power 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power 8. And s raised to power 7 is equal to 2 raised to power 8. But we are looking for the value of s. Let's multiply both sides by 1 over 7. Let's multiply the power of both sides by 1 over 7. That is s raised to power 7 multiplied by 1 over 7 is equal to 2 raised to power 8 multiplied by 1 over 7. This will cancel this. S is equal to 2 raised to power 8 over 7. And S is equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 7. This is equal to, this implies that we have S is equal to 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 over 7. S is equal to 2 multiplied by 7th root of 2. Therefore, S is equal to 2 7th root of 2. And this is the final answer.